Hi, beautiful people. Quick one. I'm not going to waste time. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers very fast within 3 days. 1,000 subscribers. And if this is what you want to hear, please do well to stay to the end of this video. Do well to like, subscribe, share, and also comment down below if you get benefit, or if you find this video interesting. The first thing you will do to get 1,000 subscriber is for you to not give up, for you to be consistent. I know you have been hearing this consistency. Yes, I know. Don't say don't stop. Don't skip this video, because I know, as you have heard, the consistency you want to skip. Don't stop, because the main one is coming at the back. The second thing that you are supposed to do if you want to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days is for you to post short, make short video every day. Make sure that every day that you posted a short. Now, don't get me wrong, it's fine for you to get 1,000 subscriber, and it's another thing for you to get viewers. Don't mind, mind you, when you are looking for 1,000 subscriber, you will come across a lot of people. Some people that are interested in what you do, some that are not interested in what you do, some that might just come because of that 1,000 subscriber, that particular video that you made. Some also might come because they like you. Some might come because they just want to watch that particular video. Now, the third thing that you will do if you want to get 1,000 subscribers is for you to maintain one look. Like today, I am making this video without makeup. I need to continue like that. Now, not making up might be what you started with, and later on you will start to make up, fine. But you see, making up and later on um you don't make up again, is going to affect your channel. So for you to get your 1,000 subscriber, make sure you maintain a particular look. Then the fourth thing that will help you to get your 1,000 subscribers in 3 days is for you to post valuable videos. There are videos that these few days I did not post. I find out that this is really what people wanted to watch. I do that video on that video editing, and I find out that that video is what is going on, that is what is moving in my channel. Mind you, don't lose hope, because the video that is blooming now in my channel are video that when I posted it, there was no view. Like 2 months, 3 months, I did not see any view. But when that video began to do well, I was like, why are they now watching this video now? Why is it now? What is so interesting now? So I now find out that these videos are videos that is, evergreen. There are videos that will not, that will keep giving you money or keep giving you views. So you never can tell the video that will give you that 1,000 subscribers you are looking for. Any video that you make, you find out that that video did not get view, does not mean that that video will not get view tomorrow, because a lot of things is happening on my channel now, that I'm seeing a lot of videos getting views, especially when I do not post anything on my channel. Sorry, I'm trying to digress to more. There was when I did 30 days challenge. Do you know that when I did that 30 days challenge, some of these video, they sometimes you will see one view, some of them nobody will view it. I keep posting them every day. But do you know that those videos are what is getting views but now? And don't and this 30 days challenge, this 30 days challenge I did happen 3 months ago, 4 months ago, but it's now that they are getting views. So posting evergreen content, you never can tell when that video will pick up. Sometimes I say, how did this algorithm work? Does it mean that there is a time they feel that people are not, there was a less competition in the on the channel or on the app, and they now decide to be promoting some videos? Because when those videos go up, I'll just be like, but this video has been there, nobody watches. So what's happened? Why are they now watching it now? Now, the fifth thing, which is the most important thing that you will do, is in whatever you do in life, put God first. Even as a YouTuber, put God first. When you put God first and now put in the work, you will see how it's going to do. Don't forget to be praying for your channel, because some of these things that we are experiencing, some of them are spiritual. That is why you will see others are doing well. You find out that your channel are not doing well. Why? Because they want you to lose hope. Why? Because they want you to give up. Especially when you are monetized, and once you are monetized, look like the money is not coming up. What will you do? You want to lose. You want to, you want to be discouraged like me. I'm monetized, but the money is not coming up. There was a time I was like that. I just want to leave the channel. But when I go and see other people that are still posting, and yonder comment, you will see somebody say, "Congratulations, at least we are getting $1 every day. Congratulations, at least you are getting 50 cents every day. Congratulations, at least you're getting 70 cents every day." I will say, "Oh, let me go back and continue what I'm doing." So that's why once in a while I will see posts, but which I know currently I'm back and I'm going to take the bull by the horn. So if you get value in this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.